going to be putting a coat of satin polyurethane over this stained door. Now normally it just has a couple of coats of stain, but the customer doesn't want it stained, he just wants a couple of coats of clear. So we're going to go satin, and you'll need 2 coats, and then you need, we can only put 1 coat on a day, and then we'll be giving it a sand tomorrow, and then we put another coat on. Let's wander through this house. Polyurethane clear. Now it's a satin, highly durable, high wearing varnish, and it's an oil based, so it's not a water based. So I'm going to be putting it on with a 63mm Uni-Pro brush.
I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it, to make it. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on.
So we're going to give this door a quick sand down. We're going to use some 180 sandpaper.
I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance, and I'll stand against all enemies, your enemies.